Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to act now. Enable airplane mode and low power mode to cut background tasks, then plug into a reliable charger. Use the original charger or a certified replacement because voltage stability matters. Unstable power slows charging. Once connected, remove the case. Heat is the enemy, so the battery can stay cooler and accept current faster. Make sure to place the device on a flat, ventilated surface. This preserves efficiency and prevents thermal throttling that would slow the charge. Now optimize the charging path. Switch off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC unless you need them, because radios draw current and reduce net charging speed. Close or force-stop heavy apps. CPU load creates heat and saps incoming charge. If your device supports a fast charge mode, enable it in settings. This adjusts charging curves to accept higher current safely. Also, avoid using the device while charging. Screen on time and processing slow input and increase temperature, which reduces charging efficiency. Finish smart. Aim to get to 80% rapidly, then allow the charger to taper current as it tops off toward 100% to protect battery health. If charging stalls, unplug and try a different cable, charger, or outlet. Often the connector or power source is the issue. Make sure your firmware is up to date and inspect for misbehaving apps that drain power while plugged in. If problems persist, a battery diagnostic or professional check can reveal degraded cells or charging circuit faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.